Hi everybody. This is a 96 W210 Mercedes E320. I just want to explain how the cylinder lock works and what happens if you don't fix it. First of all, this is the original lock cylinder, which it was not turning anymore. It was not going into the wrong position. So to remove it, it needs to turn to position 1, and I was not able to do it. So I couldn't find a good source of information of how to remove it. So this is what I did. This is the sleeve that goes around the cylinder itself, which I cut it, okay, and after that, I have no success. As you can see in there, it's got like a little notch where it attaches to the cylinder housing, which is this lug right here. This lug right here. You should be able to push it down once you turn the key into position number 1. Like right now we are in the off position, and let's see what happens. So this is the new sleeve from the dealer. You see, it's not sliding. Okay. So I had to do all that just to get it out, and but right there is where position 1 is going to be. There you go. And then we should be able to insert the sleeve and put it back together. But the reason I'm making this video because I couldn't find out there how the cylinder works, or how to remove it without a key, or if the key doesn't turn. So even if you cut around it, it's not gonna come off. So the cylinder has got to turn in order to remove the sleeve right there. Okay, so let me see if I can. I guess I can do it like that. There you go. That's the new lock cylinder with the key. So to install it, that's how we need to install it. We need to hold the tumblers around the cylinder itself so they they won't fall off, so we need both hands. There we just there you go. There we just all right.